Bitcoin Gold, we start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was within this move, we mentioned if you get any reversal, we can look for trade with a sharp move flag, and this is where we could look for buy. And after that, I didn't have any update, and whoever get this trade, they shouldn't be in this trade, and even if still they are in the trade, they should move their stop loss to break even or should take out the trade. Okay, now we want to see what's the next. In this case, we move to daily chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, we have been looking for this flat. That's me mention if we get any reversal, we can look for buy. But the only thing is based on lower time frame, we're looking at this part. It's better we move to forward chart. We want to see what we have based on forward chart. This is what we have mentioned, because still we can expect this one turn to flat for one more drop. This is what we need to be really careful. That's mean if we get any trade setup from here, we want to see the breakout of the previous stop. If not, we need to be aware about this flat. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup based on forward chart. And if I move to 1 hour chart, all right, even if based on 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade setup to look for buy. If we wants to look for buy, we have to wait for the continuation flag. That's why if we get this trade this kind of the trade setup, I don't think we can give us a really good trade setup to look for buy, because we mentioned made this one turn to flat with the breakout of this for one more drop. That's why if we want to look for trade for buy, let this one give us one more drop with the breakout of the previous low, then any reversal from there we will take the trade, and with the breakout of this top, which is 108, we start to manage. If there is a continuation, we keep. If not, then we should know that this one can turn to a more complex flat for one more drop. And even if this one gives us one more drop, then we can have entry above this. But right now, we don't have any trade setup to look for buy. And even if this one drop, it doesn't give us really good trade setup to look for sell, unless this one turns to a deeper correction. Okay, as long as the price haven't retested the previous low, which is 84, we can look for this one as a flat. And right now we don't have any trade setup. Just now we're looking at this. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or trade setup, I will share. Thanks.